Hello everybody, my name is Jaclyn, and in today's video I will be unboxing my IPSY GLAM Back Plus for the month of June. But before we get started, and if you're new here, please consider to subscribe to my channel and ring that little notification bell so you get to know whenever I upload new videos. And now if you want to know what I got on my IPSY GLAM Back Plus for this month of June, just keep on watching. Okay my friends, so it seems like today was delivery for the subscription boxes because I got my BOXYLUXE for the month of June, and I also got my IPSY. So if you're not familiar about IPSY, IPSY is actually a subscription system, and IPSY actually started with these little kind of like travel bags or makeup bags that they only have like travel size products, and it was really cost effective. It was kind of like the Play by Sephora type of idea, and this year they actually launched these type of boxes, which it costs a little bit more. It's $25 a month, but you get 5 full-size products, and the value of the box is $120 or more. So that's really exciting for me. I really love my Boxycharm. I love my FABFITFUN box. I think those are great, but I'm really loving this version of IPSY because the last times I had been getting like really nice quality products. So I cannot wait to unopen it for you. And if you're interested on this box, I will be leaving my referral code down on the description box below, so you can just click in there and get your IPSY. At the time that I'm filming this video, they still have available the IPSY GLAM Back Plus for this month of June. So now let's get into open this box. So when you open it up, this is how it comes, and you usually get a little pamphlet where it tells you about every product that you're getting, the value of them. And this right here is June 2019, welcome to the block party. Okay, so this is the theme, and this is really cute. I don't know if everybody's getting like a different color box or if all of them are hot pink as usual, but this seems kind of fun. So let's see, the first product that I got is this Tetris times IPSY block party. Oh, so this is an eyeshadow palette. That's so cool. All right, and let's just open it up and see how it looks on the inside. Oh, this is really, really cute. So Tetris is actually a game, so this is interesting. So IPSY had collaborated with Tetris. That's interesting. So when you open it up, the actual palette comes with 6 eyeshadows. 2 of them are matte, and let me see, it has this protective cover. Good thing it comes with a mirror too. And then the 2 shades right here are matte. These are kind of like more your neutral, natural colors. And then these 4 shades right here are shimmer colors. This is a silver, a blue. This is kind of like a magenta pink. And this one right here is kind of like a purpley tone. So let me get it closer to you so you can take a look at it. That looks really nice. And I don't recall IPSY collaborating with another brand or something like that. So let me just read a little bit about this, because this will be, I don't know if it will be available for purchase maybe at ipsy.com. and it says here Tetris and IPSY block party, and they have partnered up with the iconic video game Tetris for their 35th anniversary. Okay, that's so cool. And this they have created this limited edition collection celebrating the different sizes, shapes, colors, and unique beauty. Okay, that's so awesome. And the value of this palette is $24. I will be actually calculating what's the value of my box. So all right, $24. So pretty much we already pay our box with that eyeshadow palette. Next thing that I got right here is matte color. Is this, looks like a lipstick. It says right here, matte color shiny balm lip crayon, and it's by the brand Trestique. And there you go right here. This is a new brand to me, and I got it in the shade Belize Bordeaux. And let me just open it up and see. Oh wow, it's a really big component right here. That's big. All right, so on one side, okay, so this is the lipstick on one side, and then on the other side you have a lip balm. Okay, so let me just show it to you without messing this up right here. Okay, so this is the lipstick. So this is a matte lipstick, and then on the bottom you have your balm right there. So this is a very interesting concept. Okay, I never this brand, but oh, and this is magnetic too. I like that. Okay, so you hear that? So satisfying. Okay, so let me just read right here a little bit about this product. First of all, the value of this product is $25, and this product is a dual-ended lippy, yeah, that you can create endless looks on the go, from matte and opaque to sheer and glossy. Okay, perfect. Now let me see if it says something about the balm. Okay, so this is fragrance-free, paraben-free, it has all natural ingredients. The balm also has cocoa butter, Monjoy Tahiti butter, peach oil, and olive fruit oil. Okay, so it seems like it's gonna be really emollient and good for your lips. So I really like this concept. I'm actually very interested to try it on and see how it works. And this brand is actually made in Italy, so I'm very excited to try it because usually Italian makeup, it's really good for the most part, so I'm excited to give it a try. Next item that I got, oh my, I got the CEO Vitamin C Rich Hydration Cream by Sunday Riley. Are you kidding me? Sunday Riley is so expensive. I love Good Jeans by Sunday Riley. I love Luna. I know on IPSY, no, it wasn't on IPSY. It was actually in Allure. We got something from Sunday Riley, and now we're getting here in IPSY hydration cream. Oh my gosh, this brand is super expensive. They sell it at Sephora. If you know about Sunday Riley, you know that it's expensive. So let me see how much this is. The value of this cream is actually $65. Oh my gosh, this makes for the box, and I love vitamin C. So wow, I'm super excited about these. So it says here, this moisturizer is infused with ultra potent vitamin C to help fight skin damage and visible brighten your skin while adding a dewy, luminous glow. This is awesome. This is amazing. I'm super excited that we got these in our box. Oh my goodness. And $65. This is just great by itself. I already paid my box. It only costed $25 and I'm receiving a product for $65. This is great. IPSY really is stepping up their game. Okay, so next item that I got is this Tula Skincare Major Glow Cooling and Brightening Hydrogel Mask. So this is really nice. I never tried a mask by this brand, Tula. Oh, I like this. It says that it has probiotics and superfoods, and it actually will make you glow your skin. This is great. And it comes in this little bag. Let me see. You're actually getting 3 masks, which is actually great. And then on the back it says that it has probiotics that help calm the look of inflammation and aid in moisture and retention. And then it also has papaya plus citrus, so superfoods which give the skin a glowing and a smooth appearance. And it's free of parabens, mineral oil, and they are also cruelty free. Okay, that's great. And this is a Korean brand, so this is a K brand. That's great. I love to try K beauty, so this is a really good way to try it. And let's see how much is the value of these masks. So the value for these 3 masks is of $26. That's fantastic. Okay, perfect. And then the last item that I got here, okay, so it seems like it's, yeah, it is a duo. So it's by the brand Suva, and it's a Hydra liner, cake eyeliner, eyeliner cake. So it's an eyeliner, and it comes with a little brush, pencil brush for applying your eyeliner. In the box it says that it's a matte finish, and there you go. It's like kind of like a little cream putty type of product. So I never heard about this brand before, and this is the good thing about these subscription boxes, is that you get introduced to new brands and you get to try them beforehand, so that's really cool. And in the pamphlet right here it states that the value of this set is $26. So let's see how much is the value of my IPSY Glam Bag Plus for the month of June. Wow, look at that! It's $166. This is perfect. I only paid $25 and I received $166 in products. I think this is great. Last month, the month of May, I did the battle between Boxycharm and IPSY. This month, I'm skipping that type of video because instead of receiving my regular Boxycharm, I actually have my BOXYLUXE, which the video will be coming. I don't know if it will be uploaded before this video or afterwards, but obviously I didn't want to compare it because BOXYLUXE costs more money and therefore you get more products. So this video is just for my June IPSY box, and I'm super excited for everything that I got. I think it's so worth it on everything. I'm really excited obviously on this cream right here. I think this made up for the box completely. This is a product that actually catch my attention. It's kind of different, so I want to try it. I want to try this different brand, and I think this is kind of like a cute palette. I don't know, it's kind of different and it's colorful too, so I would love to give it a try. Anyhow, my friends, I hope you really enjoyed this video. If you did so, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Leave your comments down below. Let me know if you are subscribed to your IPSY or not yet, and what you think about this box. And now, before you leave, please do not forget to subscribe to my channel and ring that little bell. I would love to have you here more often. I greatly appreciate your support. Thank you so much again for watching. Until the next time, you have a beautiful, wonderful day. Bye-bye.